Hey guys, so today I'm going to be tackling this rough opening of all these doors in my vehicle. I'm just going to attempt to try to lube up these door check arms right here, possibly the hinges themselves. As you can hear or see, it's pretty rough, pretty dry. This door is very hard to open and close. Not as smooth as my other one, so I'm going to be doing that today. This was recommended to me by one of my coworkers that was a former Honda technician. It's a silicone grease from Honda, also made by it's called Shinichi silicone. But here's a part number if you'd like to buy it. I purchased this one on Amazon for about, I think I paid 20 bucks or so. But with this kind of stuff, a little bit goes a long way. You can use it for your seals, for your door latches, strikers. I'm probably gonna put some on these door handles as well, just on that inside part where it's all dried up just a little bit. First, I'm just gonna be spraying down, cleaning the area that I'm gonna be lubing. I'm just using a glass cleaner that's concentrated, microfiber cloth. Just wiping down the area. I don't know if you could tell, but on these white spots right here, that's where the previous owner had sprayed silicone spray, and pretty much a residue left behind when it dries up. For stuff like this, I always recommend, or I always use like a lubricant style cream. Just gonna scrape off the little dirt and grime that's stuck on there. If you have a wire brush, that's probably the best way to do it, but I don't have one on hand right now, so I'm just using a pocket screwdriver. Spraying it down again, gonna wipe it down. This is what it's gonna look like out of the box. Pretty big tube, pretty big size. Made in Japan. Yeah, pretty big. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the hinges, and then I'll just smooth it around after. I'm gonna put some on the bottom as well, just like that. I don't have a brush on me, so I'm just gonna move it around with my pocket screwdriver as well. Get it into all the little cracks. Just like that. I'm just gonna open and close it a couple times. Get that stuff worked in. Definitely got a lot of smoother just in the last couple open and closes. I'm gonna put some more on there. It's funny, I could feel it when it got a lot better. Just in the last couple open and closes that I did. Definitely got a lot better. Just gonna put some more on there and do the same thing over and over. Still making a popping noise, but it could be due to wear. Some of the shims or retainers that are on those door check arms, or even the hinges themselves. Definitely a lot smoother. Just gonna spray off these door hinges as well. See if I can make it a little bit more smoother or quieter. Clean them up just a bit. they're pretty gunked up, not gonna lie. This is an old vehicle though. This is a 98 Honda CRV. And this vehicle did come from Chicago, Illinois, so it definitely developed some rust and corrosion. I just put some silicone grease on some of those contact areas where the hinges are at. I'm just gonna open and close them a couple more times and see if it gets more smoother. So definitely a lot easier to open and close. I wish I had a force gauge to show you what it was before and after. Before I put the contact grease and all that. And I'm just gonna pretty much wipe off the excess. Still leave a little bit on there, but wipe off the majority of it. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Made this door a lot more better. Still not 100%, but I'm gonna see how it does after a week or a couple months or something. See if it gets even better over time, but definitely a lot easier to open and close. Another way you can use this grease is lubing up this inside right here where the door handle's at. I'm gonna spray it down, clean it up, and then I'll just put a little bit of that silicone grease on there. Just gonna put a tiny amount, just like that, right in. Put a tiny amount on the bottom as well. Just gonna let it work in. Wipe off the excess. Just like that. Not as dirty as it was before. It works better. This is another way you can use this Shinizu grease. I'm just gonna be applying it on the door latches themselves, just on the face of them. And then close them a couple times. Let it get it worked in just a bit. Just like that. Probably should be using a brush, not my hands, not my bare hands at least. Just working it in a little bit. And that's pretty much it, guys. Shinizu grease for the win. Yeah guys, that's it. That is it. I will be putting the link where I purchased it on Amazon into the description, so if you'd like to guys like to buy it and use it, I definitely recommend. I'll be using this on some of my other vehicles as well. I'm going to be doing all the door hinges and check arms on all the other doors off camera, so I will be pretty much testing this out and seeing how this goes. I've used something similar to this grease silicone before, that when I used to work at Tesla, so and that one worked really well, so that was perfect. If you learned something, like, comment, and subscribe so you can learn more. See you guys.